ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्. Yeah. Number 59. Anuvritti Achaha. Sthanivat is not, I am not taking. Adeshaha. Sthanivat will come according to some other prakriya, but I am following a different prakriya. There are two ways of interpreting this sutra. So one is Navya way of interpreting, another is Prachina way of interpreting. So I am taking the Navya way of interpreting. And who is the Navya? See, Navya Vyakarana is Bhattoji Dikshit's approach. So another is Kashika approach. So that is Prachina. So I am taking the Navya approach. Some acharyas may take the Prachina approach for this sutra. So this is one of the main points of difference between Navya and Prachina. So I am taking the Navya approach. So since I am teaching Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, and Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi is Navya Vyakarana. So Achaha Adeshaha. Adesha is coming from Sthanivad Adesho Analvidho. Achaha is Achaf Parasmin Purvavidho. Nany is coming. Yeah. Okay. So Dvirvachanam should be repeated twice. When we do the Anvaya, Dvirvachane should be used twice. So one Dvirvachane will mean Dvihi Uchyate Yasmin Tat Dvirvachanam. This is one meaning of Dvirvachanam. Tasmin Dvirvachane. This is Nimitta Saptami. That means this is Nimitta Saptami. The Saptami Vibhakti indicates Nimitta. So Dvihi Uchyate Yasmin Tat Dvirvachanam. Because of which Nimitta Dvitva happens. Because of which Dvitva happens. It is called Dvirvachana. Because of what Dvitva happens? Because of the Pratyaya. In this case, the lit in lidadesha. So tasmin virvachane. So when there is virvachana, means when there is virvachana ditva nimitta. So yeah. This is one meaning of virvachane. Another is virvachane kartavye. Dvihi vachanam virvachanam. Means a doubling. Tasmin vishaye. This is Vishaya Saptami. Virvachane. In the context of virvachana, means in the context of doubling. So this virvachane will mean in the context of doubling. So there are two virvachanas. The word virvachana is repeated twice. So one virvachana means the nimitta of doubling. Another virvachana means the doubling itself. So, and one is nimitta saptami, another is vishaya saptami. The first one is nimitta saptami, another is vishaya saptami. So, virvachane means dvitva nimitte. The first virvachana is dvitva nimitta. Achi. The dvitva nimitta should be an ach. When the dvitva nimitta ach is there, then achaha adeshaha. Achi nimitte. This is nimitta saptami, therefore nimitte. Achaha adeshaha na. Ach adesha does not happen virvachane. Na bhavati does not happen when virvachane. Second virvachana. That means dvitva vishaye. Dvitva vishaye. Yeah. Dvitva vishaye. Laghu Kaumudikara will write as dvitve kartavye. Dvitve kartavye. So it is a bit complicated. There is a nimitta of doubling. The nimitta of doubling is an ach. That means it begins with the ach. The pratyaya which causes doubling begins with an ach. Then dvitva is supposed to happen. But in the meantime, suppose there is an ajadesha. The same ach which causes dvitva is also supposed to cause an ajadesha. Ajadesha means an adesha in the place of ach. Achaha adesha. So an adesha in the place of ach. अचः स्थाने आदेशः, अजादेश. Then that ajadesha should not happen as long as dvitva has not happened. Yeah. Ajadesha won't happen as long as dvitva has not happened. That means first dvitva has to happen, then ajadesha has to happen. Until dvitva happens, ajadesha won't happen. So we will see the significance of this sutra when we apply. So dirvachane achi nimitte achaha adeshaha means okay, we'll go through this book. Yeah. Dirvachane chi, dirvachane achi, yeah. Dvitva nimitte achi achaha adeshaha na dvitve kartavye. Yeah. Dvitva nimitte achi, and ach, which is dvitva nimitta, and ach, which is responsible for causing a dvitva, is called dvitva nimitta ach. So this ach will be a part of the pratyaya which causes dvitva. Therefore it is called dvitva nimitta ach. So the same ach can also be a nimitta for ajadesha, achaha adeshaha. The same nimitta is a cause for ajadesha. The ach which is a cause for dvitva is also cause for ajadesha. Now which one should happen first? Whether dvitva should happen first or ajadesha should happen first. So then this sutrakara says achaha adeshaha na bhavati. The ajadesha does not happen until when dvitve kartavye, when dvitva is yet to be done. Then ajadesha does not happen. So dvitve kartavye na bhavati means dvitve krite bhavati. So only until dvitva is done it doesn't happen. Then when dvitva is done it can happen. So this is temporarily forbidding the ajadesha, which is caused by the same nimitta, which is an ach, which is the cause for dvitva. Yeah. So anyway, I don't want to go too much into the details of this sutra. So there is a lot of discussion on this sutra. If you go to the Vyakhyanas of Siddhanta Kaumudi, etc., we will see the application. See, gupu dhatu plus lit. When lit is added, we have already arrived gopayam plus kr, krinchanuprayujyate liti. up to that it will be common for all 9. So we can start from here. Just like in Gopayan Chakara, up to this is common. Then in the place of Kru, there is a lit. Sorry, not in the place. After Kru, lit. So previously we did in Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Now Dvivachana. So in the place of lit, instead of tip, add tas. Plus Kru plus tas. Tip tas ji. So in the place of tas, what will come? Gopayam. In the place of tas, what will come? Nal atus us. Yeah. Atus. Kru plus atus. See, all these things you have to remember at least. Tiptas chi siptas tha. Nalatusus thalatusa nalvamaha. All those things have to be remembered. There is no other way. So, now this is in question. See, now Dvitva is supposed to happen. Liti dhator anabhyasasya iti Dvitva is prapta. Liti dhator anabhyasasya. Number 6-1. Six, 1, 5 or 6. Where are you looking? You have to look in Ashtadhyayi. Number. Liti dhator anabhyasasya 618. Yeah. So this is 618. Dvitva is prapta. Now, in the meantime, see, there is a Kru plus a atus. So, what is possible when Kru is followed by atus? Atus is a kit pratyaya, isn't it? Why it is kit? Because asanyoga lit kit. Asanyoga lit kit. It is a kit pratyaya. So this is kit. Therefore, it won't cause guna or vriddhi. It won't cause. Being kit. Kyungiti cha guna vriddhi is not happening. Yeah. So then what will happen? Kru plus a. Kru is ik. Ivu ril ik. Ik followed by ach. What will happen? Huh? Iko yanachi. Yeah. So, iko yanachi is also prapta. Iko yanachi. Number 6177, I suppose. No, you have to look into this one. Okay, yeah. You have to look into Ashtadhyayi, because the number of in the Ashtadhyayi will be correct. Yeah, and also see, only if you look into Ashtadhyayi, you will get a picture of where it is. Yeah, 6177. Now, both are Yugapat Prapta. Dvitva is also Prapta. Iko Yanachi is also Prapta. Both are Yugapat Prapta. Now, which one should be done? If you don't consider Dvirvachanechi, which one should be done otherwise? Vipratishedhe param karyam. So, this is Tulyabala. See, param karyam, there should be tulya bala virodha. See, liti dhator anabhyasasya is applicable in other places. It has other places where iko yanachi is not at all appearing. It has other places. Like atadhatu. Atadhatu also, liti dhator anabhyasasya. There iko yanachi is not there. And iko yanachi has places other than liti dhator anabhyasasya. Only when each one has other place, then they are tulya bala. You understand? Yeah. So they should have independent domains, domains independent of each other. Then they are tulya bala. Tulya balayoho atra virodhaha vartate. But here they are fighting. I am coming, I am coming. That is called tulya bala virodha. That is called vipratishedha. See, that is the place for vipratishedhe param karyam. So now vipratishedhe param karyam, this is supposed to happen. Iko yanachi is para. It is supposed to happen. Now the problem is, if iko yanachi works, what will happen? Kru will become?
Yakara.
Huh? Kru, what will happen? Repa. Kru will become repa. Kru will become kakara and repa. Ka and repa will happen. Plus atus. This is prapta. Now suppose iko yanachi is applied. Then liti dhator anabhyasasya cannot work. Why it cannot work? Because when will liti dhator anabhyasasya work? I don't know. I don't know this liti dhator anabhyasasya works only in abhyasa. I don't know. Anabhyasasya. So, where will liti dhator anabhyasasya work? Ekach. Yeah. Ekach means at least one ach should be there. No ach. So, here no ach. Therefore, liti dhator anabhyasasya cannot work now. Then we will have anishta rupa. We won't get a desired form. See, a grammar is aimed at arriving at a desirable form. Therefore, to avert the possibility of undesirable form, Panini has made another sutra. Virvachanechi. 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 Number 1150. Yeah. See, now what Panini says we have to understand. See, there is an ach. This is ach. And this ach is dirvachana ach. Means this ach is causing the dvitva. Dvitva nimitta ach. So, dvitva nimitte achi. And the same dvitva nimitta ach is causing an ajadesha. What is the ajadesha? Iko yanachi. Iko yanachi is ajadesha. The yan adesha in the place of ik. Ik is ach. R is ach. So, in the place of the ach r, an adesha is happening. What is the adesha? That is not important. Achaha adesha. Achaha sthani adesha is happening. And the cause for both is this ach. So, therefore, this is dvitva nimittakaha ajadesha. So, now this iko yanachi The yan adesha is dvitva nimittaka ajadesha. It is an ajadesha caused by the same nimitta which is causing dvitva. So now Dvirvachanechi says that kind of ajadesha should not happen. न भवति. द्वित्वनिमित्तकः अजादेशः न भवति. When द्वित्वे कर्तव्ये, when vitva is yet to be done. So this ikoyanachi is prevented for time being. Now vitva has to be done yet, so you don't come now. You can come once the dvitva is done. That is what Dvirvachanechi is telling. So therefore we will apply liti dhator anabhyasasya only. So gopayam plus kr plus kr atus. Gopayam kr atus. Now this will undergo the same process as before. We need not, I need not get into the details. This will become cha, chakra atus. Now ikoyanachi can work. Once dvitva has been done, then ikoyanachi can work. Ikoyanachi. Chakratus. Gopayan chakratus. And Rutva Visargau Gopayan Chakratuhu, and this sandhi will also happen. Or Gopayan Chakratuhu. Yeah. So vapadantasya will work, and karavasanayor visarjaniya sasajushoruhu. In fact, both are two different padas. In fact, they are not one pada. There is no one pada between them. They are different. Similarly, Gopayan Chakruhu, Bahuvachana also, Gopayan Chakruhu. So, same process. And Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. So, for Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, we have to look into another sutra. Eka cha upadeshena anudattat. Eka cha upadeshenudattat. Eka cha upadeshe anudattat. Number
7, 2.
एकाचः पंचमी एकवचनम, सप्तमी एकवचनम, पंचमी एकवचनम। या इट् न धातोः अंगस्य, अंगस्य will become अंगात्, आर्धधातुकस्य, वलादेः आर्धधातुकस्य, आर्धधातुकस्येद् वलादेः। उपदेशे एकाचः अनुदात्तस्य, एकाचः अनुदात्तात् धातोः परस्य वलादेः आर्धधातुकस्य इट् न भवति। या a dhatu which is ekach, ekach means ekah ach yasya saha ekach, it has only one ach, ekah eva ach yasya saha ekach, it doesn't have more than one ach. That kind of dhatu is called ekach dhatu. And the dhatu has an anudatta. The dhatu consists of an anudatta. Anudattaha asya astityunudattaha. The dhatu has an anudatta. It's called anudatta dhatu. So it should be ekach dhatu and it should be anudatta dhatu. In upadesha, upadesha means in its original form. In the dhatu patha, it should have only one ach and it should have an anudatta. That kind of dhatu, after that kind of dhatu, dhatoho parasya valadehe ardhadhatukasya, an ardhadhatuka which is valadi, it does not get it. It agamaha na bhavati. So, yeah, generally valadi ardhadhatuka gets it. Ardhadhatuka syed valadehe. So, this negates the it agama to certain dhatus. See the book. एकाच उपदेशेनुदात्तात् उपदेशे यो धातुः एकाच अनुदात्तश्च ततः आर्धधातुकस्य इट् न, yeah, it plus na becomes in na. So you can work out this sandhi in na. Upadeshe yaha dhatuhu ekach. In upadesha, what is upadesha? Upadesha is adyocharanam. Yeah. Upadeshe yaha dhatuhu ekach. If the dhatu is ekach and it is anudatta, and it is anudatta, means it has an anudatta swara, then Tataha, after that, ardhadhatukasya it na. So valadehe ardhadhatukasya it na bhavati iti. So now how to find whether the dhatu is ekach or and anudatta? You have to take refuge at dhatu patha. Go to dhatu patha and find kru dhatu. Where is kru dhatu? Kru. Yeah. Yeah. See, kru dhatu. Kriyadi gana. Not krayadi. Kriyadi. Kriya. Kriya. Huh? Kriya. Say kriya. 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 Not happening. Yeah. See, see, this is see, kriyadi gana is krinya dhatu. Do krinya dravya minimaye. Yeah. See, you have to go elsewhere. Do krinya karane. Kriyadi gana is do krinya. Yeah. Krinya is different. Krinya is different. Dukrinya. Kriyadi is dukrinya. Kriyadibhyah sna. I am talking about krinya dhatu. Yeah. Krinya dhatu. It is in Swadigana. Go to. Huh? I am not talking about dukrinya. Dukrinya.
Page to print current.
Yeah.
Page
78. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Anudattaha nyit. Yeah. Anudattaha nyit. Yeah, tanadi gana. Yeah. See, do, kr, ny. See, and it says anudatta. See, after dukrinya, it is anudatta. See, anudatto nyit. What does it mean? It is nyit. This is, okay, let us find out before going into that. We'll find out what all are it. Nya is it by what sutra? Halantyam. So halantyam, this is it. Then any other it? Adirnyatodavaha. Adirnyatudavaha do. This whole do is it. So only kr remains. Then how many achs are there now? One ach. Therefore it is ekach. Upadeshe ekach. It is ekach. And it is anudatta. The ach in the dhatu is anudatta. That is what it means when it says anudatta. See, anudattaha means the ach is anudatta in the dhatu. It is not anudatet. Anudatet is different, anudatta is different. If it is anudatet, what does it mean? The it is anudatta. Yeah. Dukrinya is not an anudatet dhatu. It is anudatta dhatu. Means the swara in the dhatu is anudatta. Ekach and anudatta. So this is ekach and anudatta. Therefore, it will not get it. It doesn't get it. Yeah. Therefore, it is anit. So they have written. No, anit is not written here. There in the yeah. It is anit dhatu. Panini doesn't say anit dhatu. There are so many other sutras also. We will, as we go, we will see. So, gopayam plus kr plus thal. We are looking into thal. That is sip. In the place of sip, thal comes. Thalathus a. So, kr plus tha. So, ardhadhatukasya dvaladehe, it was prapta. Ardhadhatukasya dvaladehe, iti, it was prapta. It is negated by what? Ekacha upadeshenudatat. Gopayam kr plus tha. It remains kr plus tha. And then what will happen? Thal. Thal is kit. Is it kit? It is not kit. Yeah. Only apit lit is kit. This is a pit lit. Therefore, it won't become kit. Asanyogat lit kit. It is only for apit lit. This is a pit lit. So, it won't become kit. Thal is not a kit. Therefore, what will happen? Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho. Guna. Yeah, this is ardhadhatuka, right? Tha is ardhadhatuka. So, ardhadhatuka guna will happen. Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho. Iti gunaha praptaha. Iti gunaha. Not prapta. Guna happens. And what is the guna in the place of r? Ar is not a guna. Guna in the place of r. What are gunas? A, A, O. Adeng Gunaha. So A, O. These three are Guna. So which is the Guna in the place of R? A is Guna. But then there is another sutra. What is it? Uran Raparaha. Then it brings Ra. Yeah. So Sarvadhatuka Ardhadhatukayoho brings A. Uran Raparaha brings Repa. So you have to go back to those sutras and brush it up. That is why it is not a quick process. 1 week is needed to learn everything properly. So Ar. Oh, sorry. Cha is there. Chakra. See, before this we, it does not come, but before that, Gopayam, Dvitva will happen. Kr plus Tha. So Gopayam litidhator anabhyasasya iti kr tha. Then abhyasa karya Gopayam plus cha kr tha. Now Guna sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho. Gopayan Chakartha. Yeah. The rest are simple. Chakrathuhu, Gopayan Chakrathuhu, Gopayan Chakra, and Gopayan Chakara and Chakara. Uttama Purusha, 2 forms are possible because Naluttamo Va. Uttama Purusha Nal is optionally Nidvat, Nit. The Nit is optional. Therefore, Gopayan Chakara or Gopayan Chakara. Gopayan Chakriva and Gopayan Chakrima. They are simple. So, see, now in this book, you will find some a shloka and some other things are written. So all these are giving which dhatu is anudatta, which ekach dhatu is anudatta. See, there are many ekach dhatus. Many majority of the dhatus in the dhatu patha are ekach dhatus. Among those ekach dhatus, which dhatus are anudatta, he is listing out. So this list is given. So there is a big list, and this list is given for people who are ready to memorize the list. For us, Rama Shabda itself is doubtful. So better to skip this. So I am not getting into this list. So instead you can use your dhatu patha to find out which is anudatta. So that is the regular method. So this is for convenience. So anyway, we will skip this. Yeah. Gopayan chakartha, Gopayan chakrathuhu, Gopayan chakra, Gopayan chakara, Gopayan chakara, Gopayan chakruva, Gopayan chakrama. Yeah. So that is with the kr anuprayoga. When see, we can use three dhatus as anuprayoga. Krinchanuprayujyate liti. Three dhatus can be used. One is kr, another dhatu is bhu dhatu. So if you use bhu dhatu, it will become Gopayam plus bhu plus lit. And bhu plus lit, you know the forms. We have already done. So it will become Gopayam babhuva, Gopayam babhuvatuhu, Gopayam babhuvuhu, Gopayam babhuvitha, Gopayam babhuvatuhu, Gopayam babhuva, Gopayam babhuva, Gopayam babhuviva, Gopayam babhuvima. Simple. Now this as dhatu. So as dhatu, when lit comes, it will become like at dhatu. You know how to do at dhatu in lit. So ata atatuhu atuhu. Similarly, Gopayam asa, Gopayam asatuhu, Gopayam asuhu, Gopayam asitha, Gopayam asathuhu, Gopayam asa, Gopayam asa, Gopayam asiva, Gopayam asima. Simple. So these are the forms with the see, all these are we when we began, we started with the two possibilities. One is with aya, ayadaya ardhadhatuke va. So one was with aya. Now without aya also lit is possible. Gupa plus lit. That we will see in the next session. Nrittavasane nataraja rajo nanadadhakkam nava panchavaram uddhartu kamassanakadi siddhan etad vimarshe shiva sutra jalam.